Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about what happens when we sleep. 1. Restoration and repair. The body repairs tissues, builds muscle, and synthesizes proteins. The immune system gets a boost, helping fight off illnesses. 2. Brain detox. The brain clears out waste products, including harmful toxins, through the glymphatic system, which is more active during sleep. 3. Memory consolidation. Short-term memories are processed and stored as long-term memories. This is crucial for learning and problem-solving. 4. Energy conservation. Metabolism slows down, conserving energy for the next day. 5. Hormone regulation. Hormones like growth hormone for growth and repair, and cortisol for stress response are regulated. Sleep also impacts appetite-related hormones, influencing hunger and fullness. 6. Dreaming. Dreams occur during the REM, rapid eye movement, stage of sleep, and they may serve purposes like emotional processing or creativity. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.